Okay, our kupu o te wiki. This week, I'm feeling kind of healthy. I'm feeling a bit more energetic than usual. So I thought I'd come up with a kupu related to kai, that being Raho Puru, which is the kupu for avocado. Raho Puru. Now we can break Raho Puru down into two particular words. We slice it straight down the middle. We've got Raho and Puru. Now Puru is the equivalent of bull. Yes, those big bovine creatures that go moo, have the big horns, often rather cranky. Puru. Now to go on a little bit of a journey to understand what Raho is, we kind of have to think of what's something that may have to do with these avocado fruit, these big black egg-shaped things, and bulls. Have you guessed it? Yes, those big dangly bits that hang off a bull, look like a couple of avocados hanging down there, swaying in the wind. Raho Puru, that's where that word comes from. Raho Puru, avocado.